Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, there's not really a whole lot of stuff going on. I'm having some problems with this headlight turn signal again, where they're like linked together with my actual turn signals and stuff. This one will blink whenever I'm turning left, but when I turn right, this one doesn't blink. Or vice versa. I can't remember. I'm gonna take off this front bumper and see if that'll work. And my fog lights, I think this one doesn't work, but this one does. I got a new HID kit for that. I don't know if I blew a ballast, but I don't know. Let me show. Okay, so that one works with the headlight and everything too, but that one does not. So I think I might have like a short or something, so I'm gonna take this front bumper off real quick and wiggle some wires around and see if I can figure out where that short is at. So. Alrighty guys, the front bumper is off. How freaking badass would that be if my car was that low, sitting on the ground? That looks so sick. Yeah, I'd have to bag it. But I got it all off. I'm gonna leave all of everything connected because I don't want to have like, the car will think that there's a bulb out, so it'll just like flash really fast. I might need to take out this headlight, but I'm just gonna mess around with some of these wires as they are already without actually having to disconnect anything and see if I can get it to turn on. Yeah, so I can't figure out what I need to be doing. I'm gonna go ahead and just take this headlight out just so it gives me a little bit more room. I don't really have a whole lot of room back up in there. So of course, right when I turn the camera off, there's a wire. I don't know, you guys can't even see it. Okay, this wire right here that I spliced together, it's got a connector on it. I don't know, I wiggled that wire and now it's working. So I think what I'm still gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and just take that headlight out anyways, open that up, and it's obviously loose, so I need to reconnect it and make sure it's like super tight. So super quick fix. Okay, so I definitely figured it out. It's definitely this yellow wire. It's just a little, it must be a little loose inside this connector, because if you see, it's not working right now. And if I just barely move this wire in one direction, it works. And if I move it the other way, it stops. So that's definitely the problem, is inside this connector of this yellow wire. So alrighty guys, got it all fixed, rewired up, and it's working now. It doesn't turn off or anything like that, so we're good to go there. Now I just need to figure out what I'm gonna do about my fog lights. I'm gonna mess around with that for a little bit and then see if I can figure that out. But all that works, but you can see that this fog light turns on, but this one won't. So I'm wondering if I just have a loose connection, or if I have a blown ballast again. Alrighty guys, I think I just have a blown ballast. I did switch out like both of my plugs, like both bulbs, switched them on each side, and it didn't work. So like the bulbs didn't fix it. I definitely have a blown ballast. I have an entire HID kit. Another one, I thought maybe I just might be able to just switch out the ballast, but it's a different plug-in. I have to do an entire rewire everything by Xenon, and I don't feel like doing that right now. It's getting ready to rain and stuff anyways, so I'll probably just deal with that like another day and clean up all those wires and get rid of all that mess, tuck everything away nice and neat. I'm just glad that the headlights, the turn signal and stuff like that works, so I'm not really even worried about the fog lights and stuff like that right now. I did go over to Vince's yesterday, so I'll play the rest of that video. He wrapped the top of his roof in like a American flag, so it's kind of cool, so check it out. Shit. Damn.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful. Oh. Back at it again.
Yeah, I got screwed yesterday. So I had the V-tops out and I put them in the back room. And that's where I was doing it.
Yeah.
It started raining. With the T-tops out of my car.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should
hurry up and fucking just swiped it on real quick so water wouldn't get under it.
Right.
Threw it back on there, and now there's so many fucking bubbles in it.
Yeah. I just got over here we've been doing a lot of stuff. A lot of videos on your cars lately. Quite a bit. A few.
Couple.
I did have a couple people, if you noticed, I don't know if it was on Instagram or if it was actually YouTube. I think it was Instagram. Yeah. Well, somebody was like, Vince put the same post with the same bottle, with the nitrous bottle on yours, and they were like, nice try. Yeah. Hey, did you get mine? Mine says, oh, okay, no onion.
No onion.
Okay.
A lot of you guys were hating on me last video.
Really?
Yeah, I guess I was out of it or something. They weren't liking my vibe.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I was just exhausted. I've been here for like 4 hours by the time he got here and started filming, so
yeah.
Nothing personal. I was just
Hey, you're talking about the launch video. You're just saying like you didn't like it and stuff.
Yeah,
yeah.
It wasn't that at all. I was just exhausted.
Right. So what do you got going on here? So that looks freaking badass, dude. Like the American flag, but like all ripped. Mm-hmm. And you still got to put that one on?
I waited till you got here.
Oh, hell yeah. You always end up getting in a hurry and just starting before.
I did that yesterday.
Oh. That looks good though. I think that's super cool.
It looks cool from underneath.
Oh, hell yeah. That looks dope. I need to do something like that to my back windows, the little back windows. I don't even know what they even call this video. I don't know. A random vlog. Yeah.
Supposed to be nice next week though.
Yeah. I don't know. I just thought that I'd pick up the camera and give you guys something. Stopped at McDonald's. That was it. That was it, really. So, yeah. So I guess we're going to go ahead and start taking off all these and finish up this other side. You probably don't want to open or take this thing off now, but with your hand and stuff, He burnt it on a.
You can kind of see it.
It's okay. I was just saying, like, you have a picture on your phone.
Right.
Just show me the picture on your phone. But he ended up getting it blown off by like some steam.
Yeah,
Really hot steam.
Skin.
Yeah. We can get it to. There you go. Damn. Now this is all of the skin just rippled over. Shit.
Yeah, it looks a lot worse now.
Yeah.
It's all gone. All the skin is. Feels better though.
Yeah. These ready to go back on now? Or you still got to heat up this side?
That's already posted.
Oh, okay. I think it's a cool touch. You probably need to stand on top of that table. The shit you gotta do for pictures? The shit you gotta do for pictures?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is really cool. Actually have to look at it from this angle. But yeah, I think it's a cool touch. Good choice. Good choice. Yep. I don't really know what else we could be doing for this vlog. I just thought that it's dealing with cars, and I thought that it would be cool to like update you guys on something that Vince was doing to his car. I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, man, hit that thumbs up button. Also, follow LSX on Instagram. Follow his build. He'll be posting pictures and stuff like that, so if you guys actually want to see what the actual pictures and stuff look like, give him a follow. So, until next time, guys, keep it random. Peace.